What's going on YouTube? Just wanted to make a video on my new pickup, foamposite 1 cough drops. I got these from Craigslist, below retail. They are used, but they're in really good shape. So if you're looking for good deals on shoes, don't sleep on your Craigslist. You can find really good deals. Like I said, I got these below retail. I did the shoelace swap. It's the black ones, but I went with these red and black ones. I think they look good. They match the pull tabs. I went with the size 13. Normally wear size 12 in Jordans, but they were just even these size 13s. They still fit me kind of tight. I heard with the foams, the more you wear them, the more they I guess the foam technology heats up, and it I guess wraps around your foot. But like I said, these are 13s, and they still fit me kind of tight, narrow on the sides. So, but yeah, I'm really happy how these shoelaces look different. I always like to swap out my shoelaces. Makes it look like a different shoe. So yeah, let me know what you think.